Hi. So today I want to take you through an exercise called opening and closing the triple warmers or triple burners. In Chinese it's called the sanjo. So these are containers within the body, particularly within the torso and pelvis area, that are used to hold the organs and bring balance within the heat and also balance within the fields of energy that flow around us called wei qi. And they do that in conjunction with the lungs. So there's a lot of things that work with in the triple warmers, and this is not something that's available in Western medicine. They don't refer to this, but Eastern medicine does. So it becomes an actual organ within the body, even though it's a physical part of the body. So we're going to work with the three burners. The upper burner being from the throat to the sternum, and this is to support the heart and lungs. From the sternum to the navel will support the organs of the abdomen. And from the navel down will be the organs of the lower burner. Even though the kidneys are physically above that line, they're considered a lower burner organ. So we're going to work with those three different areas, and we're going to clear out any toxic heat. So that can be emotions, it can be thoughts, it can be physical problems you're having, and we want to release those and refill them with white healing light. I like to call this exercise like an energetic transfusion. You're working to bring more harmony into the body. So starting by bringing your hands up by the side of your face and begin to shake them. And this is going to get some energy flowing into your hands. You'll also want to have a nice solid stance with your feet about shoulder width apart and place your tongue behind the upper front teeth as you close your mouth and begin to breathe only with the nose. Stop the shaking and bring your hands in front of your heart with the fingers pointing up towards the ceiling. Imagine that you're holding a ball of white light. Let's take a breath in and imagine engaging that ball a little bit more, and as you exhale, pull your hands apart to release any problems out of your upper burner, out of your heart and lungs. And breathe in and fill them up with white light. Exhale through the nose, releasing any grief and sadness out of the lungs, any anxiety out of the heart. Breathing in more healing light. Exhale, releasing any problems in the heart and lungs, and continue to fill up with white light. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more. Exhale. And filling up. And dropping your hands down so they face out in front of you, roughly about the level of your navel. We'll work with the middle burner. So I'm going to invite you to take a breath in here to re-engage this ball of light. Exhale, separating your hands to release any anger out of your liver, any frustration, and filling with white light as you return the hands back together. Exhale, releasing any worry and overthinking out of the spleen and stomach and filling back up. Releasing any problems you might have in your digestive system and filling with white light. Exhale, release. Inhale, fill. Exhale, letting go of those problems. You can almost feel like this separation is creating like a sticky energy, almost like you got a rubber band there that's you're trying to pull apart, and then it comes back together to fill yourself up. One more time, exhale. And inhale. Final burner, exhaling, bringing your hands down, working with the lower burner. So, re-engaging that ball as we inhale. Exhale, separate the hands to clear out any fear and insecurity and loneliness out of the kidneys. Breathing in more white light into the pelvis. Exhale. Inhale, filling. Exhale, releasing. Inhale. And exhale. Releasing any traumatic thoughts or emotions that may be down here in the pelvis, and then filling them with white light, supporting your whole body. Exhale and inhale. one more time. Exhale and inhale. Taking that ball of light and place it right at the navel, locking that into your danchen being your energy reservoir, storing the energy there, and then making a gentle little circles in one direction, a few more in the other as a symbol of locking in the qi. And I love this exercise because it has a wonderful tagline as well. It says, come and go, open and close, and 100 illnesses will be healed. So I hope this helps your healing journey as well. Thank you. Take care.